Hello, welcome to how to fix the error that does not allow editing on your spreadsheet. This is my spreadsheet. As you can see, my file is not editable, and the Enable Editing button appears. Follow these steps to fix this error file. Options. Trust Center. Trust Center Settings. Protective View. Uncheck all the options. OK. After completing, you close the file and try again. Now, I open the file and the error is fixed. Here are the steps to fix the error that does not allow editing files in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.